Dang, dude, this downtown is beautiful, absolutely insane. We got somebody on the road. We're going to a sports bar.
I'm the cameraman.
No, shut up.
What are you doing?
No, you've lost your position.
How?
It is absolutely beautiful out here, dude. Amazing.
Is he okay with you taking lessons?
Yeah.
There's snow all over the ground, like piled up like 6 feet of snow.
You wanna move here?
It's absolutely beautiful. I would definitely move here if I could.
Look at the PJs in there.
We got PJs. Oh, we got the game playing outside, boy. All right, guys, so it is currently about 10:30 at night, and we bought this waxer, like I said earlier, and we got to wax the snowboard. Jacob, that's basically his status right now. Dad's actually trying to help me. Here's some wax. We got to heat this thing up to around 293 degrees Fahrenheit, so about 150 Celsius. And man, that sucker is getting hot, isn't it, Dad?
It's hot.
Yeah, hot real fast. Basically, you just gotta drip the wax all over the board, and then you just gotta iron out the wax and not keep it in the same spot. It doesn't seem too hard, and it should take about 30 minutes. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. You just don't want to keep it in one spot.
Yeah, you don't want to keep it in one spot, and you want to drip it as much as possible. So I think we'll be good. The light goes out when it's ready. Oh man.
It's ready.
Okay, don't touch it yet. Let me do this. Look at how good of a friend I am. I'm perfect. I'm absolutely perfect. Alright guys, so there's Dad. We got the GoPro Hero 4 right now on the stick and then on my helmet here. So on my helmet I have the GoPro Hero 7. I have the backpack and everything. I don't think I'm gonna use my goggles or my my bandana or anything just yet, because I'm gonna teach Jacob to go down this little bunny slope over there. But first I think we're gonna start off going down that little hill right there. And I think we'll be all good. I'm gonna see if I can fix the size of this strap. I like that Polaris right there. I think it's cool. All right, let's go ahead and get ready.
Okay, so what do I have to do? See, no sticks.
Huh? Yeah, you don't usually want to teach people with sticks. Okay, you don't know which side you're gonna have first.
Left
so,
foot.
huh?
Left foot first.
You want left foot? Then sit down, put your left foot in. Or stand up if you can. I'm gonna have to move my phone. Gosh. Now get this thing.
You're gonna have to help me.
All right, give me the stick. With what? I thought he showed you how to do it. Give me this thing. Can you grab that? Or lift your foot up at least? There you go, and now just take this, put it in there, like that. Don't tighten it up all the way. Put this one in. Huh?
What about this?
That's fine. You don't worry about that. This doesn't even look like a toe strap. I'm gonna just assume it is. Okay, you're good. Let's go.
She's gonna take a picture of it.
Oh, okay. We're both getting on them, right? Huh? Yes, we're both sitting down. This is gonna be interesting, guys. What? This is gonna be interesting. Where's your path? There it goes.
Sometimes you'll have to move a little bit, sometimes block it.
All right, Jacob, just come get up next to me.
It's a big glass piece, ready to try that. How y'all doing today?
Good. We're probably gonna fall. You
got any tips for getting off this sucker?
He's never. Just don't be bad.
Stay on your edge.
Just sit down.
Whichever way you want to start, that's the way you turn your left shoulder, front shoulder.
All right, now I'm gonna teach you. Put it underneath.
Put what underneath?
Your toe under the snowboard to hold it. Now, later on, we'll be doing this to keep you from falling out. So I'm gonna just practice.
Hey, Dave!
Hey, Dad! We're gonna go on a lot bigger ones. Basically, whenever we get up there and move your snowboard, just point it straight forward, and you wanna sit kind of sideways. And then when you get off, put your foot right next to your other binding and just ride it like a skateboard off. Or like how you were just pushing there and you're riding it. I know it wasn't very good because you're just learning, but that's all you gotta do is you just ride it off like a snowboard. But
I
you
was
don't,
leaning forward and stuff, so.
you gotta get your balance point. Once you get your balance point, you should be fine.
Going fast.
Where? Yeah, we'll be there. You looked.
Oh, they got snowboards.
That's also another easy way to get up. You just hold on to that thing, and remember you said, why did it shoot him all the way up there? That's what that does. And that just takes you to right there. Where we're going, it takes you all the way up here. I wanted to get you used to the lift because honestly, I've never been on one of those things in my entire life.
Oh, Jesus.
Prepare to unload. This is a lot easier. They're letting you get used to it.
Bet, and that was pretty slow too.
Okay.
I'm still gonna fall.
Just let it go, let it go, let it push you, and then when you can stand up, stand up. Oh, you didn't fall. All right, good. I recommend taking a seat. Take a seat, get your binding on. You'll be good to go. I'm gonna try to record you as much as I can, but I'm not gonna go 2 miles.
Yeah, you want the good YouTube quality?
So, heel like this. Stop on your...
I'm not even strapped in yet.
That one. Pull it up, put it into the hole. There you go. You gotta push it down first. And then just crank it. Hey, make sure you don't crank the other one under it. Don't crank the other one under it. There you go, now do it. Now put that one on. How you guys doing over there?
I've never done this before and there's no way I'm gonna.
Same.
You got this. I believe in you.
It's
I've never done it
stopping
either.
at the end that terrifies me.
Oh yeah, how do you stop?
On your heel or on your toe.
Okay, so I can just kind of lean back.
Lean back. Don't lean back too hard though. It's kind of icy, it looks like. I haven't been down yet, so you'll probably slide a lot.
Okay, as long as I don't slide into the tree.
You can always just like lay on your butt.
That is what I'll do.
Okay, so how do you?
Snowboarding's harder to learn than skiing, but it's easier to get better at. Just remember that.
Freaking hard.
You gotta get your balance. Huh?
I can't push.
Just lean forward.
That's
You
what
gotta
I'm
lean
doing.
towards your toes. There you go. It's icy, which makes it harder. You ready?
Not really. I'm just full swinging it.
They want me dead. Put that price on my head.
He's got it!
No, no, no. They want me dead or alive. They want me dead or alive.
Oh my gosh, I hope I got that on video. Are you good? Oh, are you good? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Woo! You had the speed, that was good.
What did I do wrong?
You didn't lean back far enough on your toe, so you're leaning forward, your toe caught, and you face planted into the snow.
Okay.
Hopefully I got that on video, because that's beautiful, I like it.
Dude, my face is freaking numb and freaking throbbing.
Let's go do it again.
No. I'm done.
Oh yeah?
Oh,
You got it. You got it. Just slow down. Use your heel. Use your heel. Lean forward. Oh. You'll get it. You look, honestly, you're a lot better than I thought you'd be.
ow, my wrist hurts.
It is. It's icy. That's the problem. It's about to go eat lunch. It is about like 11:35 and Jacob feels like absolute booty cheeks and he's starting to learn, I think. he's got the basics down. I think after lunch, we might head over to the other side of the mountain where some of the little bit more advanced terrain is, and slowly go down multiple times. You guys will see a lot more of that because there's a park there. We can ride through a little bit of the park and it'll be fun. But right now we're gonna go get food. And anything you guys say about snowboarding so far?
No. No comment.
No comment?
My freaking wrist hurts so bad.
I think we'll give him a couple more hours and he'll have a different opinion.
If I don't throw up first.
Yeah, I think he'll be fine. Yeah.
I forget about that.
That's my friend's problem. I have a video earlier. First time going down. He's going straight down. I'm like, oh, okay.
Oh my God, stop.
And boom, he turned sideways, hit the front, boom, right on his face.
Yeah, dude, going straight is not.
And he didn't have goggles or anything on.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Women, boys, they know it. Fast money, don't slow her. No one can control it. Yeah, and I got this soda. Women, boys, they know it. Fast money, don't slow her. No one can control it.
How sexy do I look?